my name is Melonie. During my childhood, I suffered abuse, neglect, and abandonment, which led to a lot of brokenness inside me. I found comfort in drugs and alcohol at a very early age. I began to sleep around, and a relationship with an older man led me to foster care. In foster care, I found stability and structure, something that I had never had before. But unfortunately, whenever I was released from state custody, I found myself back into drugs. I was an IV drug user by the age of 19. I had my first jail sentence before I was 20. I struggled a lot with my identity and finding love, finding a sense of belonging. Throughout my early 20s, I tried on my own accord to find help to do it on my own, and it never worked. I was trading one thing for another substitution, alcohol, drugs, Suboxone. I got to a really bad relationship, and that just spiraled me even further out of control. I was addicted to heroin and methamphetamine. I ended up homeless. I spent 2 years sleeping in a tent community. Oftentimes I would just go to public bathrooms to get away from everybody, to find some kind of security, to feel safe and just alone. So I went from park to park, sleeping in bathrooms. They were heated or they were air conditioned, and I stole food from stores. I found myself at the soup kitchen line every chance I could. I would sneak into churches and steal their food. I even ate out of dumpsters a few times. It was a very low point in my life. I was arrested for possession in 2019, which I found Jesus in jail. I gave my life to him. I told him that I didn't want to live anymore, and if he wanted my life, he could have it. And he told me that he had plans for me. They were good plans. So I gave him complete control over my life. I surrendered my will to him, and he opened doors to Capstone. Through Capstone, he has He has given me recovery and health. I was hepatitis C and B positive when I came into Capstone, and I am healed from both. He has worked through Capstone to provide emotional healing. I no longer feel very broken inside. I am loved by my sisters, by all the volunteers that pour themselves into Capstone. We are very loved and cared for, all of them. I don't have to worry about where I sleep at night. I don't have to worry about what I have to eat or what I'm going to wear. Through support like United Way, we don't have to worry about any of that. It's all provided, from clothing to shoes to makeup to hair products. We are treated so very well. We are very, very blessed. We found our identity in Christ. I found my identity in Christ Jesus through Capstone. Capstone encourages a relationship with God that is more than anything in this world could ever fix inside of me. I'm very, very fortunate to have had this opportunity to find my identity in Christ, and to be able to feel very loved and confident and worthy. And thanks to United Way, I also have a job that I love. I have a new car, and I have an apartment that I can move into as soon as I graduate. It is a new life, a great start for me, and I am very grateful. And I thank everyone who pours into Capstone, especially United Way. Thank you very much.